Why coaches and consultants fail on YouTube and how to fix it. Are you a coach or consultant trying to grow your business on YouTube, but no one is watching your videos, no one is booking calls with you, and you feel like YouTube is just a waste of time? In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly why this is happening and how to fix it. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. You are creating content about yourself. This is probably the biggest mistake I see. Many coaches upload videos with title like My Journey as a Coach, Welcome to my channel, or Why I Started Coaching. Here's the problem. Nobody is searching for your journey. And people don't open YouTube because they want to learn about you. They open YouTube because they have a problem they want to solve. Think about how you use YouTube. You search for things like how do I get more clients? How do I overcome self-doubt? How do I grow my businesses? Instead of creating content about yourself, create content around your audience's biggest problem, biggest challenges. Instead of saying my journey as a life coach, say how I become a life coach and what nobody tells you. People care most about solving their own problems. Mistake number 2. Your thumbnail doesn't earn the click. Even if your video is amazing, people will never know if they don't click. Your thumbnail is what decides whether someone clicks your video or keeps scrolling. I see coaches making the same thumbnail mistakes over and over again. A great thumbnail should communicate one clean idea in less than 2 seconds. Use a close-up photo with real emotion. Keep the text short. 1 to 3 powerful words. Use colors that stand out. Remember, no clicks means no views. No views means no clients. Mistake number 3. You never tell viewers what to do next. This one quality costs coaches thousands of dollars in lost opportunities. You spend 10 to 15 minutes giving incredible value. You teach, you inspire, you answer questions. Then the video ends. No invitations, no offer, no next steps. Your viewer think that was helpful. If you want discovery calls, ask for discovery calls. If you have a free guide, then tell where to download it. If you want people to connect with you, invite them to send you a message. A simple call to action can completely change the results of your channel, because people are much more likely to take action when you clearly tell them what to do. Here are 3 simple things you can start doing today. Tip number 1. Build every video around one problem. Before creating your next video, ask yourself one question. What problem is my ideal clients trying to solve today? Tip number 2. Design thumbnails that stop the scroll. Keep your thumbnail clean. Your goal isn't to tell the whole story. Your goal is to earn the click. Tips number 3. Finish every video with one call to action. For example, if you're a coach or consultant and you'd like to grow your channel, attract more clients, click the link in the description and book a free discovery call with me. Simple, clear, and direct. Does it actually work? Absolutely. I've worked with coaches and consultants who were uploading great content but getting almost no results. After improving their titles, designing their thumbnails, optimizing their YouTube optimization or SEO, and adding strong call to action, their channel started performing much better. They're receiving more views, more engagement. So here is one of my client's channel. You can see in the screen right now. You see last 28 days she got more than 7,000 organic views and 38-hour watch time and 5 subscribers. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more potential YouTube growth strategies specifically for coaches, consultants and business owners. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.